Deep in the heart of the wild forest, where giant ancient trees scrape the sky, two massive bears collide in an epic battle for dominance. Every growl shakes the ground, and every powerful swipe echoes through the thick woods. Watch their raw strength and instinct take over as the fight unfolds beneath these towering natural giants. The clash is fierce, primal, and breathtaking. This is the true spirit of the wild, untamed, unfiltered, and unforgettable. Stay tuned for more rare encounters from the wilderness. Like, share, and hit subscribe to never miss a moment.